I thought he took far too much criticism. We're fortunate to have Mitch. We get to see him every day. He's a star. There's not many guys that are over point. I mean, he's pushing 100 points. He's a Selke Trophy finalist. He kills penalties. He loves being a Maple Leaf. And I think he cares so much. He wears it. Like you said, he wears it. And so our job is to continue to help him be at his best all the time. Just a fabulous player. We're lucky to have him. He does a lot for our team. And I know he's really dug in this summer, really dug in. He's come back. He's got that jump. He's got that swagger. So I'm expecting a big year from Mitch.